Hey, do you want to know how to use FontAwesome? I can show you, and I can show you how to download it. Also, I can show you how to insert it inside your project, and also I can show you how to use it. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, for this program, the first thing I do is I create a new folder which I call FontAwesome. Okay, then I create another folder which I name my project, and this is like this. I will show you how to insert it inside yours. Okay, so inside my project I want to create another file which is index.html. Like this I will show you after how to use FontAwesome. Okay, also inside I will create another folder which will be for the CSS style sheet. Okay, all right. Okay, so now we go to internet. Okay, on internet you go to FontAwesome you go to FontAwesome website. It's there, FontAwesome website. Okay, so on the first page you can go on start for free, or if you want to pay you can go there, otherwise you go for free. Okay, on the page after they ask you for your email address, but you don't need to give them your email address. You can go directly to the download section, you click there, and then I click on the other button, download FontAwesome free for the web. Okay, and now it's there, it's a zip file. Okay, I open it. Okay, so it's there, I just copy it. All right, and now I'm going to the FontAwesome folder that I create before. Okay, I passed there. All right, the zip file is there, so I extract the file right here. Okay, done. Now I have to go no, I go back there. I go inside. Inside there are many folders, but you need only two of them. So you need to take CSS and also web font, those two. So you copy those two, and then you go inside your project and you go inside CSS and you can paste there. Okay, all right. Also here you can create style.css. Okay, like this, I'll show you later. All right, now it's okay, so we can go. I close everything, I open Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is my project on Visual Studio Code. Okay, I go directly to the index.html and I start and one HTML. Oops, doesn't work. Okay, and I start one HTML page. All right, and first thing to do, I have to link two things. First, the style.css. Maybe I made a mistake because it's not in this folder. CSS style.css. All right, okay, and now I have to link the FontAwesome, but not, I'll show you which one you need. Okay, so same CSS and CSS again, and then now you have to take all.min.css. all right, okay, no, that's okay. Let's go back to the FontAwesome website. You search for icon, you search for Twitter. Okay, now on the side you can choose free, pro, and then you can choose the rubrics. Okay, you can go for free. Now you can click on this one if you like it, then you copy it, only the code on top. There will be always a code on top. You just copy it, you go back inside your HTML, and okay, you passed. All right, let's find another one. Chess. Okay, no, you click not on the advert. You click on free. Okay, you take chess knight, copy the code, you go back there, and you passed. All right, now let's open it with live server, and now it should have two icons. Okay, Twitter icons and chess icons, so it works. Okay, I will put on the side, this also on the side. To change the style of the icons, there are two ways. Okay, and I have to explain you something. Okay, so I close this, and also maybe I open the style on this one. Okay, index, bim. All right. Okay, if you look at the code, there is one which start with FAB, and the other one underneath start with FAS. What's the difference? The FAB means FontAwesome, of course, and B like brains, FontAwesome brains, and the other one is FontAwesome solid. Okay, that means if you want to change only the brands, you can put this FAB. Bim. Okay, let's put color blue. Okay, also you can change I mean, everything you can do with CSS you can do also with those icons. So font size, okay, 50 pixels. Okay, now if you want to change, but this is when you put this, it's like custom styling for all icons. That means if you have other icons like I don't know, Amazon icons further on your HTML, it will take the same specificities. Okay, and if you want to change only one icons, you have to put the name. Okay, so if you want to change only the Twitter, okay, you don't need to put FAB this time, but you have to put the name after, so which is FA and Twitter, okay, and now it's changed. Okay, but if you put FAB, FA, Twitter, it won't work. Okay, it's either one or the other. Okay, if you found this useful, please push the like button, and also you can navigate through the channel to find other tutorials and also projects and exercise. Please go and check, and please subscribe if you like web development, and see you later, my friends.